Stop scrolling for a second. Look around. Do you feel like no matter how hard you work, money just slips through your fingers? You're not lazy. You're not unlucky. There's a hidden reason almost nobody talks about, and it's destroying your finances silently. By the end of this video, you'll see why you've never had money, and the shocking truth will make you rethink everything about work, spending, and even saving. Most people think the problem is obvious. I don't earn enough. I spend too much. I work hard, but life is unfair. But here's the truth. That's only the surface. The real reason you never have money is something deeper, something hidden in the way your mind, habits, and environment are wired. And once you see it, you'll start making money in ways you never imagined. Point 1. You're living in survival mode. Here's the first hidden reason. Survival mode is when your brain is so focused on getting through the day that it blocks long-term thinking. Bills, groceries, rent, stress, all of it makes you react instead of plan. And here's the catch. Money can't grow when your mind is only trying to survive. You can work all day, every day, but if your brain is in survival mode, you'll never attract real wealth. Point 2. Your habits are silently bleeding money. Let's talk habits. Not bad habits like smoking or overspending. I'm talking about subtle habits that eat your money slowly. Paying minimum on credit cards, subscribing to things you forget, buying cheap items that break quickly, ignoring investments. It's invisible, it's quiet, but it adds up. These small leaks are silently draining your bank account. And most people, they never notice and they never fix it. Point 3. Your environment shapes your finances. Next hidden reason. If you surround yourself with people who complain about money constantly, follow trends blindly, never invest in themselves, you unconsciously adopt their habits and beliefs. Money is not just numbers in your account. It's what you think, what you do, and who you listen to every day. Point 4. You're working hard, not smart. Another hidden reason. You trade your time for money. 8 hours a day equals paycheck. 12 hours a day equals bigger paycheck? Not really. There's a ceiling, and no matter how hard you push, you can't break it because linear effort only gives linear results. Wealthy people, they focus on leverage, systems that make money automatically, investments that grow while they sleep, skills that attract higher income. You're still trapped in work more, earn more mindset. That's why the money never sticks. Point 5. Your beliefs about money are holding you back. Here's a hidden psychological reason. Your beliefs about money. Money is hard to get. Rich people are greedy. I don't deserve wealth. These thoughts aren't harmless. They control your actions. If you subconsciously believe money is difficult or bad, you'll unconsciously sabotage yourself financially. Even if you earn, spend, or invest wisely, your brain finds ways to spend it, lose it, or avoid it. Point 6. You're ignoring high-income skills. Another hidden reason. You focus on jobs, not skills. Money doesn't reward effort. It rewards valuable skills. Sales, marketing, investing, business building, creating systems. The more irreplaceable and valuable your skill, the more money flows to you automatically. Without skills, you're stuck trading time for tiny paychecks. Point 7. You don't have a plan or strategy. Here's the final hidden reason. You don't have a clear financial plan. Most people just hope money will come, react to bills, spend randomly. Wealth is never random. It's planned. If you want real money, track income and expenses, plan investments, set goals, take calculated risks. Without a plan, you're drifting, and money slips away every single month. Conclusion. So here's the truth. The hidden reason you never have money is not one thing. It's a combination. Survival mindset, bad money habits, limiting environment, wrong work approach, beliefs that block wealth, ignored skills, no plan. Fixing these is not easy, but it's 100% possible. Start small. Audit your habits. Upgrade your skills. Change your environment. Create a plan. And slowly, money will start flowing. Remember, it's not about working harder. It's about working smarter, upgrading yourself, and rewiring your mind. So here's the question. Will you continue losing money, or finally discover the hidden reason and fix it. The choice is yours.